AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating new ones. The truth is, we're living through one of the biggest money shifts in history, and most people have no idea. The people who learn how to use AI tools right now will be the ones making money, not losing it. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful AI tools that can help you start earning online in 2025, step by step. These are real tools I've personally tested, not random hype. And yes, most of them have free trials through my affiliate links in the description so you can try them today. Let's start with the first one. Tool 1, ChatGPT. You already know it can write, but what most people miss is how to monetize it. Think about this. Small businesses need content every week. Blogs, newsletters, social posts, product descriptions. With ChatGPT, you can create that content in minutes and charge $50 to $200 per task. Try this prompt. Write a 700-word blog post in a friendly tone about time management with a strong call to action at the end. Now add your own style, export to Google Docs, and deliver. Do this 5 times a week. You've got yourself a side hustle. The key isn't writing faster, it's packaging AI-generated content as a service. Tool 2, OpusClip. Next up is OpusClip, and this one's a game changer if you're into video. You take one long video, a podcast, a vlog, even a Zoom call, and OpusClip automatically cuts it into 10 viral short clips with captions, zooms, and subtitles. Imagine reaching out to a YouTuber or coach and saying, "Hey, I'll turn your long videos into 10 short TikToks for $100. They'll say yes every time because you're saving them hours. I've linked OpusClip below. There's a free trial through my link so you can start experimenting immediately. Tool 3, ElevenLabs. This one turns your text into ultra-realistic voiceovers that sound human and emotional. It's perfect for faceless YouTube channels, ads, or even audiobook gigs. You can choose different tones, accents, or even clone your own voice. Upload your script, pick a style, and in seconds, you've got a studio-quality voice. I use it for intros and tutorials all the time. Try it using the link below. You'll be shocked how real it sounds. Tool 4, Durable. This one builds entire websites in under 60 seconds. You just type a business name, pick an industry, and Durable generates a fully designed site with text, layout, and images, ready to publish. Let's say you contact a few local businesses, coffee shops, gyms, photographers, offer to refresh their website for $200. With Durable, you can make 5 of these in one day. That's $1,000 days made easy. The best part? No coding or design experience needed. Tool 5, Copy.ai. It's one of the best AI writers for ads and marketing. You can generate product descriptions, Facebook ads, and email sequences in seconds. Here's how to turn that into money. Find Shopify stores or coaches that need better copy. Offer to rewrite their product pages for higher conversion. Charge $100 per page. Copy.ai will handle 90% of the writing. You just polish it. Tool 6, Gamma. This tool creates beautiful presentations or client proposals with one click. Type. Create a pitch deck for a sustainable clothing brand targeting Gen Z. Gamma instantly builds a full deck, complete with visuals, layout, and headings. Freelancers and startups will pay $150 to $300 for decks like that. Seriously, this is one of the easiest side hustles you can start. Tool 7, Pictory. This one transforms text into full videos automatically. You paste your script and it adds stock footage, captions, transitions, and music that matches the tone. You can use this to create explainer videos, Instagram reels, or branded promos for clients. Combine Pictory with ElevenLabs voiceovers and you can sell entire ad packages without ever touching a camera. Tool 8, Notion AI. It's not just note-taking. It's a full productivity system. You can build dashboards for clients, plan social media calendars, or manage your entire content workflow. Here's a side hustle idea. Build a Notion content planner template using AI, brand it, and sell it for $19 on Gumroad. It's digital, passive, and easy to scale. Tool 9, Canva Magic. It's the simplest design assistant online. You can use Magic Design to instantly create thumbnails, Instagram posts, or YouTube banners. For YouTubers, offer thumbnail packs, 10 thumbnails for $50. It takes less than an hour using Canva's AI templates. Design once, get paid forever. Tool 10, Synthesia. It lets you generate talking head videos using AI avatars. Upload your script, choose a presenter, and it speaks in over 60 languages. Companies use it for employee training, product demos, and customer service explainers. You can offer this as a multi-language video service, which is super rare and in demand right now. So those are the 10 AI tools that can actually make you money in 2025. Don't try to use them all. Pick one or two, master them, and start charging for results. I've listed all the tools below with free trials through my affiliate links, so you can test everything yourself. And if you want my exact setup, templates, and prompts, grab the free PDF guide, 10 AI Tools That Make Money. It's in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll show you how to turn these tools into a $100 per day system.